Huanchen Technology Container Plant Factory. Science and technology equipment. Before introducing our product, talk about what is a container plant factory. What is a container plant factory? Plant growth is inseparable from temperature, air, light, and fertilizer. Different plants have different needs for them. And these 5 elements will also change with the seasons. Therefore, traditional farming needs to be carried out according to the solar terms and take farms RA, intelligent management and control, high-efficiency labor-saving production facilities. It will pass a high-precision environmental control system, achieve continuous growth of crops all year round, temperature, humidity, light, carbon dioxide concentration for plant growth, and environmental conditions such as nutrient solution are automatically controlled, allows plant growth in the facility to be less restricted by natural conditions. Huanchen Technology Container Plant Factory can provide air humidification mode and use the temperature and humidity automatic sensing device to automatically humidify when the humidity is insufficient and automatically dehumidify when it is wet. The optimum humidity can be provided according to the growth requirements of different crops. Real-time intelligent monitoring of environmental changes to prevent plant fatigue and rotten roots provides the optimum growth temperature for crop, which is no longer affected by changes in natural temperature differences. No matter the weather is cold or hot, dry season or rainy season, the technology farm can achieve uninterrupted rotation throughout the year. The ventilation system of Huanchen Technology Container Plant Factory not only provides air circulation, it can also filter and reduce bacteria, harmful chemical gases, pollutants, etc. in the air, keep the indoor air fresh and clean. To avoid the harm of moldy diseases of crops, Huanchen Technology's Container Plant Factory uses full spectrum LED lighting to completely replace sunlight. Avoid extreme weather, cloudy days without sunlight. Use full spectrum LED grow lights with red and blue wavelengths to provide light. Plants that grow in this environment, vitamins and sugars are nearly as nutritious as sun exposure and less earthy. UVC germicidal lamp is a non-polluting, no-toxic residue disinfection technology. It is also the main environmental and drinking water disinfection technology adopted by countries around the world. Huanchen Technology Container Plant Factory adopts UVC germicidal lamp, regularly sterilize the air and water. It can destroy bacterial and viral DNA and RNA and achieve 99% elimination effect to prevent mold or disease in crops. Huanchen Technology Container Plant Factory can be unattended even in all parts of the world. Real-time remote control of plant growth conditions using monitoring and communication equipment. e.g., get the physical growth status through monitoring equipment. Check humidification time and humidification frequency. Regulate the temperature of plant growth. Adjusting the start-up time of ventilation equipment. Adjust the LED lighting duration and intensity. Can greatly save time and labor costs.